this video I'll show you guys how to get some dope like home screen setup just like mine, and also I'll show you the apps you need to download and everything. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so let me scoot over so I could put my screen recording right here. So yeah, my phone screen should be up there, hopefully. So yeah, this is my home screen. This is what I'm working with. I have 3 pages. So this is my first page, my second page, and also my third page. Also on my second page I have a stack widget, which I don't see a lot of people do. So yeah, that's kind of cool, you know. I have to be different. But yeah, just take this example, take this tutorial. Don't really copy me if you don't want to. You could use your own style, get your own aesthetic going. But yeah, let's jump into exactly what you guys need to do. So you need like 4 or 3 applications. I almost started right there. The main top 3 apps you need, guys, is one called Color Widgets, Photo Widgets, and the most important, Widgetsmith. Alright, if you want motivational quotes right here, like as you can see my motivational widget, all you need is an app called Motivation from the App Store. I'll leave all the app links down below in the description. Now guys, I'm gonna do this from scratch, so I'll make a new page. Alright, so let's go over to like this, let's make like a yellow theme page. Alright, so I have Snapchat right here. Everything is blank. We're on a blank canvas. So the first thing you want to do is open the Widgetsmith app. Alright, so this is what your Widgetsmith app will look like. It might be blank for you guys because you haven't customized anything as yet. So the first thing you want to do is make a photo album. Alright, so this is if you want to use a photo album as your like widget. You can also use like time and date. So you could come in here, choose the different time and date, choose the color. So you have different fonts you could choose from. So for example, today's Sunday, you could change that from white to probably like yellow, and then you could also change the background color to have a nice like pastel yellow that looks amazing. Actually, I might use that one. Then you can also use a border color. So now you want to hit save. It might take some time, sometimes it's kind of buggy. So alright, so that's saved. Now if you want to add that widget, we just hold down, hit the plus sign, then scroll down to Widgetsmith at the bottom right here, add widget, hit done. Now you just want to edit that widget and choose the one we just did, which was small number 1. So you have to remember. Alright, so as you can see, we have that. It looks dope. Alright, so I know you might be saying, oh Shevon, I don't want a calendar, I want to add an image. So if you want to add an image, I got you. So let's go into Google and let's search for a yellow theme. It's kind of cool. Believe in yourself. Hit save. Boom, we're done. Next up, what we want to do is we want to go into widgets. We want to go into your photos application, and you want to create a album. So go onto the picture you just downloaded, go to add to album, new album, and call this Yellow Believe. Anything you want to. Alright, boom, that's done. Next up, we want to open Widgetsmith. Scroll all the way down and hit add small widget. You could also add this to like a large one if you want to. You get the idea. You have all these ones. It's the same procedure. So small widget right here. Click the default widget. Go all the way down to photos in album. And then go to selected album. It's on favorites right now. Scroll all the way down to the one we just added, which was Yellow Believe. Alright. Then you want to back out of that and hit save. And you could also change the name up here to Yellow Believe if you want to. Hit save and you should be good to go. Sometimes it's kind of buggy, but now if we go to edit widget, then go to the Yellow Believe we just added, then as you can see we have the Yellow Believe, and you guys could easily see how you could go ahead and switch up things. So now for example, we could put our Spotify here, we could put our messages or phone if you want to. Alright guys, so now you see that we have some green images right here. I'll show you how to change your app icons so it could match the same aesthetic. So you want to go into Chrome, right? I don't really have a specific website I use, so I normally just type in Spotify yellow app icon, and anything that comes up I think looks nice, I would use it. Alright, so let's use this one. Hit save. Now we want to go into shortcuts. I'm gonna show you guys how to use the shortcuts app. Alright, just type in shortcuts, it will pop up. Boom, we have the shortcut app. Next up, we want to hit the plus sign. You see that plus sign right there? Hit that plus sign, add action. Then you want to hit search for open app. Boom. Choose the app you want to open. For me, it's Spotify. Boom, just like that. Then hit that 3 dots. Choose the shortcut name. You could name this anything you want to Spotify. Put some nice emojis, anything you want to. Then you want to hit add to home screen. New shortcut. This is actually the name actually. So you want to put Spotify. Spotify. Or as I said before, any emoji you want to use. For example, I could put like a heart. Like a yellow heart right here. Then you could also choose the icon. Boom. We have that nice pastel Spotify icon. Hit add. Done. Done. Boom. So now we have that Spotify app icon. We could place this right here. And then we could remove Spotify to the app library. Alright, so you get the idea. I won't do all of them because it will be too long of a video. But you guys get the idea. Now if you hit Spotify, it will take some time, but then it will actually open the Spotify app. And that's the reason I don't really like to do much app icon changes, because when you hit these applications, it opens the shortcut app. You kind of get used to it, but it's just kind of annoying to me. But so yes guys, that's basically how you customize your iOS 14 home screen, change your icons, get creative. As I said before, I didn't want this video to be too long, so I literally gave you guys all the steps you'd need. Also, another app you could use, as I said before, is color widgets. So you can see how I have that Sunday right here. It's really easy to use, the color widgets app. So let's go into color widgets right here. And then you have all these nice widgets you could choose from. They have some pre-installed one right there, but it's not really as customizable as the Widgetsmith app. But for example, let's get this one, this green one. You could hit set widget, boom. And then as you can see at the top, it's set. So now it changed right here. But we can also add a new widget. So we could change the background image. So for example, we wanted to use this ASAP Rocky one. You can see how nice that looks right there. Set widget, back out, and then you have that ASAP Rocky, which will actually look really good for our yellow theme over here. So yeah, you guys can see how you could get creative with this thing, man. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you learned something. If I missed anything, please let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and happy TikTok. And also my link down below to follow my TikTok. I don't post that much, but you guys could follow me there. But as always guys, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.